Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, and today I'm talking about dishwashers and specifically the bottom rack. Let's take a look at some of these bottom racks. This is a Miele. This is a beautiful dishwasher, one of the best maybe in the world. What's with that? It's a rattly mess. What about this one? KitchenAid, another beautiful dishwasher. So rattly. Wash. These are the names in dishwashers. A little less rattly, but still, it's got a little rattle to it. Why is that? I was wondering that myself, and I finally found the solution to why these have so much rattle when they're sitting in the store. And the reason being is that when you fill these things up with dishes, you put 12 dishes and cups and spoons, and that's a lot of weight, and they glide effortlessly under pressure. They're actually designed to work best when they have all that weight down on them. I was in a home doing a cooking class, an in-home cooking class. They had a Miele dishwasher. I opened it up. It was full of dishes, and I could slide it with one finger, completely silent. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for new appliances, particularly something that has racks like a dishwasher, that these things are designed to be full. So when they're empty, they might have a rattle to them, a little bit of a feeling that they're not a quality machine. But Miele, again, probably best dishwasher in the world, and it's just seamless and quiet. And here's another tip. A dishwasher, the more dishes you have in it, the quieter it's gonna be. How do I know this? Because I bought a new dishwasher for myself, and when I ran it with some fresh tablets to clean it out before I put dishes in it, it was so noisy, and my thought was, I'm not very happy with this. But I loaded it full of dishes and I ran it, and it was whisper quiet. And I've discovered that the more dishes I put in my dishwasher, the better it runs. And I've got one more tip for you, but before I do that, I want to talk about Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. I want to make sure that you go visit appliancefactory.com, but check out our website reviews. We've got over 4 stars because we care about our customers. We've got 24 locations in 3 states, and I think that our reviews are what make Appliance Factory so special. We're a hard-working company full of professionals that care about the appliances that we sell. We have home delivery, we've got extended warranties, we have installation. All of those things are products that we offer from in-house. It's something that I want you to check out. So go to appliancefactory.com, but make sure you check out our Google reviews because we're really proud of those. Now, for my last tip, when you buy a new dishwasher, make sure you're using rinse-aid. Rinse-aid is very, very important in making sure that your dishes are dry. This is the rinse-aid door here. So Jet Dry or whatever brand you love, put that in there. And what that is, it's an alcohol-based solution that lowers the temperature at which water evaporates, making sure that your dishes and your plastics are dry. So if you're having trouble with your dishes not drying as well as you thought they would with a new dishwasher, you might be missing that. And you just squirt some in there until you see it fill in this little sight glass here. I fill mine maybe once a month. I do dishes, I run my machine 3 or 4 times a week, and it keeps up with that. It does a great job. So make sure you get that Jet Dry in there to make sure you have your dishes nice and dry. This is Chef Mark. I'm coming to you from Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom with dishwasher tips. I want to make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you check us out at appliancefactory.com.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.